Hello, dear subscribers, dear friends, welcome to my channel. Now I will show you how you can clear Facebook history on any device. Write whether my solution helped you and whether you managed to do it on your phone. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments. I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Let's get started. To do this, go to Facebook. Then open the menu in the bottom right corner. In the top right corner, click Settings and Privacy. Scroll down. Find the Activity Log tab. Then here, we click your activity across Facebook. Comments and reactions, click on Likes and Reactions. Here we can see the reactions when we put on any posts. We can click on the three bars. We can remove the likes, and they will be removed from our history. We can also just take a few selections like this, and then click on Delete and Delete. After that, in order for us to clear our history, we need to click on Logged Information. Here you can scroll down. The history opens. Click here, and click on your search history. After that, all our history appears here, which was the most recent. In order to clear it, we can select, let's say we don't like this. We click on the three bars and click Delete, and delete again. Choose some other history. Click Delete and Delete. This is such a simple, easy way to delete and clear the history on Facebook. Subscribe to the channel, put likes if you liked this video. And if you have any questions, be sure to let me know below in the comments. I will definitely read and answer. Thank you all for watching. See you later.